So I want to send price drop alerts to all my customers. And to do this, I have set it up in broadcast campaign. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also do this. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get free 100 credits to try Pabbly Chatflow. What is free 100 credits? That you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free using Pabbly Chatflow, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and let's see how to create this amazing automation, or you can say broadcast campaign. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you're going to get a complete video tutorial in the description box below. You can check it out and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, from the left end of the side, come on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and then you just have to click on this add broadcast button. Now you simply have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm just going to keep it as price drop alerts right over here. You can customize this according to your own choice. Now let's move on further. It is asking me to select the contact list. So in order to choose the contact list, you first have to create one. So to create this contact list, from the left end of the side, go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. Now over here, you're going to see left end of the side, there's a box in which you can create the contact list. What you have to do, you have to go on this create contact list, simply enter the list name, enter the opted status, incoming status, and then simply select the conditions and create your contact list. If you want to learn how to add the contacts, you can go in this add contact section, and from here you can add the contacts. If you want to learn more about this contact section in detail, we have a complete video attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So I'm just going to simply select the contact list right over here. You can also select multiple lists like this. Okay, so now let's just move further. I'm just going to select this single list. Now it is saying refined audience, so this is optional. You can exclude the contacts you don't want to receive this broadcast. So let's say I selected this contact list which has 60 leads, or you can say customers, and I want that some specific customers from this contact list should not be sent this WhatsApp message, which is the price drop alert. So I've selected the same and they will not receive this message. Apart from that, you can also exclude some list to right from here. Okay, so now let's just move on further. It is saying exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. So you can skip who messaged you within the 24 hours so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. The next is this message type. So you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this template list first and create your template. Then you have to wait till Meta approves your template, and then only you can select the template right over here. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you don't wish to create the template, you can go on this regular message, select the message type as text, and simply paste your message over here. So I want to send this message, so let's just copy this message and paste it right over here. In this message, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to bold some text. So the text which you want to bold, you just have to put the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold. Over here, instead of test user, I want to keep this as dynamic, which is the name of my customer should change with every new response. To do this, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to enter $name. This is going to keep this value as dynamic. If you also want to automate and send personalized WhatsApp messages, you have to include this $name so that it can keep the name of the customer dynamic. Apart from this, if you want to learn more about this dynamic section, then you can go on the settings and then contact custom fields. You can get a video for the same in the description box below. Check it out. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to bold some text right over here, which is the price drop alerts, and then we're going to move on further. On the right hand of the side, you can see the preview of the messages too right over here. Okay, so I've simply entered this message. Now it is saying selecting username and the mobile number. So over here, in order to send this message to hundreds of thousands of customers at once, what you can do is you can first simply test this. Okay, so in order to test this, you just have to enter the username and the mobile number to whom you want to send this and test this message. So I'm just going to simply enter both the details and click on this send test message. It is saying test broadcast sent. So let's open our WhatsApp, and you're going to see this message is sent successfully and it looks perfectly fine. So now let's just move in further and send it to all the customers. In order to do this, we have two options. We can schedule the broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this instantly, you can click on this no send instantly and click on this add button. If you want to schedule this for later, go on this yes schedule for later, and then you have to go on this calendar button and simply select the date and time at which you want to schedule this message. So I want to schedule this broadcast for 5th of June 2026 at 3 p.m. So I'm just going to click on this add broadcast button, and now this is scheduled for 5th of June 2026 3 p.m. and yes, this message is going to be sent. And further, when this broadcast is going to be sent, what I can do is I can view the stats of this broadcast. I can go on this view stats, view the sent, delivered, read, failed, ignored also right over here. So once this broadcast is sent, I can go on this view stats and view the sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed right from here. So like this, you can send price drop alerts instantly to all your customers, and yes, this is a very helpful feature. So go and try this, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. And then further, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.
So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.